What's going on, everybody? It's KB from A to Z Power Washing. We're just going to do some oxidation removal. I'm going to show you guys how I got this siding to what it looks like now. The chemical we're going to be using is called Cleansol BC. You can search it up, find it online. Although you should wear a lot of PPE, the one I will tell you to please wear is glasses. Your skin will probably be fine. You don't want this in your eyes though. I'm going to be using these to record, but I wouldn't recommend them as safety glasses. For heavy oxidation, we're going to go ahead and go with a half-half mixture. You could go lighter, but you're going to end up doing more applications. So just going to go ahead and put it in directly. Okay, once you have that all mixed up in your pump spray, you're going to go ahead and rinse the siding you're going to be working on. You just want to cool it down from the sun. Apply this top down. You don't want any streaking. You already see it going to work here. This pump up spray is a little screwed up, so it's not making my job any easier, if I'm being quite honest. Once that's applied, go ahead. They advertise it as brushless, but we have a pretty bad case up here, so we're just gonna go ahead and brush. Alright guys, once that's all brushed on, you're gonna go back. You're gonna grab a wide tip nozzle for your pressure washer, whether that could be an M5 twist, a white tip. So anything that's low pressure is gonna be perfect here. So what did I find in my experience? I absolutely recommend starting off with different spray bottles and testing different strengths and seeing how strong you need to go for it to not be a multiple application type of process. Do it in sections. You're gonna notice weird streaking if you go back and do a different or repeat part of a section, so just knock it all out in one go. And if you do have a little streaking, don't stress out too much. You can brush it out, or eventually it just kind of fades off. But all looks great now. Flash that before picture here as well, so you guys could really see the difference. So yeah, all in all, the product definitely works. You might have a little bit of a trial and error kind of thing, but eventually it looks great. So I do know there's other options on the market like Oxnox and things like that. So do your research, see which one fits your needs best, and pick from there.